Hello everyone, today I have a set of 4 for your bathroom. It's included 24-inch long towel hanger. Also it has a circle handle which can be rotated in a different position, including where you can hook it. Also it has a small hook for some small stuff, just some shower brushes, etc. And it has a holder for a toilet paper. I think this set is a perfect purchase in every house. It's made with a high quality material. It looks durable, it's well made. I think it will be a good purchase for the gift for your friends and family, and I highly recommend this. You will like it.